Hi everyone, let's look at question number 18 from 2020 Standard Maths exam. This is one of the interesting questions from networks. Networks always being one of the challenging questions. And in this one, you're given a network and what you're asked is to draw a minimum spanning tree. So let's work it out step by step. So let's start from one point. Any point you can start. The process would be same. I'm starting from A, and from that point, any point that you start, you look for the next shortest available path. In this case, I don't have a choice. All I can go is here. So I take this 2. Okay. Then from here, I have a choice. Either way I go, it's 3. So it doesn't really matter. So I choose here and got this 3 over here. Then from here, now my choices are, I can go this 3. And so you consider basically point B as well, point C and this. So out of all these choices, the choice from point C to F is the shortest. Others are 5, 3 and 3. So I will go from here to here. Okay. Now the considerations increase more. I have more options. There is a 3 in consideration. There is this 3 in consideration. 5, 2, 2, 2. So it pretty much doesn't matter whichever 2 you choose because they all of these 2 are okay to consider for next step. So we go here. So this would be out of contention now because we pretty much don't need an extra step because we have already connected C, F and G. We don't need to go directly here. Then the contention points here are this G to H, this one, this one, this one and this one. Out of all these, this one is the shortest. So we'll consider this. Now because we have connected F, G and H, so this will go out from the contention. Now the points in consideration are D and H, F and D, C and D, and B and F. So out of all these, you've got this one, which would be this one, we'll consider. Okay. Now, because we have connected F, D, and H, this will be out of contention. We have connected C, F, and D, this will be out of contention. So all you're left with either B to E or D to E. And because D to E is the shortest, we'll consider this. Okay. So this 2, this 2, this 1, this 2, and this 2. So what we get is 3 plus 2, 5, plus 2, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10, plus 2, 12, plus 2, 14. So the length of the minimum spanning tree is 14, and this is the shape, which obviously will draw it neatly than what I have done. Then finally, what you're told is that on this shape, the point K is added, which is just here. So these 2 edges are added on top, and these are the 2 weights. And then what it's asking is, what is the length of this new tree? You don't need to go through this whole process again because up until this point, everything is gonna remain the same. All you need to do is with the existing minimum tree that you have drawn, you need to connect the point K. And out of these 2 points, edges in contention, the point K to C is the shortest. So your length, revised length would become 14 plus 10 is equal to